They don't have that garbage. Also, lately the game has felt a bit laggy. When I KO, I have like FPS drops. I don't know if that's just my PC, so... Other people that can see all the pieces on the right side? Yeah! People watch like the next queue, and they know exactly what they're doing. They never stop. They just continue and continue and continue. I can see 3 to 4 ahead. Damn. I only see like sometimes not even my whole queue, but mainly like the first one or the second one. If it accent you should be an AI, right? How do I fix this? Wait. Wait, what is this? Wait. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Edge, thank you so much for the raid. Oh my gosh. Welcome. 2x2? What does 2x2 mean? Like the square block? Oh, welcome, Simsham. Hey, to you, Sassy. You're not. Maya. Hi, Maya. One bully. Yeah, buddy. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Hi, Maya. A 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I had a 2x2 Rubik's Cube when I was like 3, and I didn't know how to solve it, so I peeled the stickers off and put them back on. We just hosted a fat doubles tournament called 2x2 doubles. Oh, 2x2 doubles. Is it just like a regular tournament? Or was it like like a team too? Oh, and thank you